Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can enable dark mode on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. In recent days, dark mode feature is getting very hyped and it is very awaited feature in all operating systems or application. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable dark mode on your Windows system. For that, simply click on this window icon, then go to settings. So this is our setting window. Here you will find one option called personalization. Simply click on personalization. Here simply click on colors. From choose your color drop down menu, simply click on dark. This will enable system-wide dark mode on your system. Now if you want to customize your dark mode, then we have two options. One is system-wide and another one is application-based. So for that, from the drop down menu, simply select custom, and from here you can select dark mode for your system and for your applications. So if you want to enable dark mode entirely on your system, then I will suggest you to select dark. This will enable complete dark mode feature on your Windows 10 computer. So this way you can enable dark mode on your Windows 10 computer. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.